Hi guys! Mabuhay! It's me, your girl, InDaynaMo, and welcome back to my Taglish channel! Hello guys! How are you all on other side of the universe? So guys, for today's video, we are heading to Illuminate Adelaide here dito sa Mount Gambier guys sa South Australia. So guys, are you excited? I am excited here. What are we waiting for? Happy watching!
Whoa. Oh, party, party. Oh, retratos.
Welcome to Digital Garden, Mount Gambier, South Australia, the Illuminate Adelaide.
Yeah, very anarch. I am work. Wow. You know you gotta walk through it. Oh. Thought you broke it.
Illuminate Adelaide and the Government of South Australia through the South Australian Tourism Commission are partnering with innovative regional councils and award-winning artists to shine a light on South Australia. Building on its success in 2021, Digital Garden once again reimagines the cultural center of Mount Gambier with captivating installations, projections, and interactive lighting, transforming Cave Garden with a series of experiences from renowned local and international artists. Digital Garden will light up winter in the southeast of the state.
Oh, baby, it's cold. That's what it says.
Oh, is this anak? Kaliwa, is that part of artist? No, it looks like an artist. Oh,
What's this in the morning?
I don't know if they make noise, but
No, like the one in the time zone.
oh, what am I walking on? Ah, anak. So anak. Oh, there's a shop over there. So it looks like it's a bunch of photos, like, made with neon. Oh, is that what it is?
It's a mango too.
Oh, very.
A highlight of this project will be an interactive installation by Jen Lewin's studio titled The Pool, merging the movements of individuals to create an overlapping and ever-changing collage of light. The pool is a giant field of concentric circles that swirl with color when activated by touch. Inspired by Australian tidal rock pools, the pool uses cutting-edge mesh network technology and custom code to bring this vivid and ever-changing composition to life. Other artists include Submergence by Squid Soup and Neon Winter and I Am Here by Carla O'Brien.
I know. Yeah, there is some meaning behind it. I know. I got off the purpose. Well, they've illuminated down here in the Cave Gardens too. I know.
Oh, sorry.
Excuse me. Only a tiny bit. You can hear water flowing, but always. I don't know if that's part of this or if they just have that going on all the time. Yeah, it's funky colours. Oh. So this is the main corner. I don't know if there's anything going up front. There's the Mount Gambier Hotel. We're on the main street here at Mount Gambier. We'll walk from this direction now. So much action going on down here. Oh, somebody go at Copenhagen. Oh, it's like really like a full place. I didn't think anyone went there. Oh, it's starting to get breezy now. Cut back through here. Wasn't sure if there's more stuff over near the library side.
Even did the current one like that, copy machine.
Oh yeah, we just bust out the bedroom window and replace the bed with a kitchen. We're running a generator.
Bakit mainit na kape?
Yeah. So many anak. Now we know what the anak do at night time. Oh, walang sapatos. Oh, anak. Okay.
Don't stop.
So I think this is part of Adelaide, and they've brought it here. Pretty similar to the Fringe. I don't know if you want to walk down into the cave or not. No, I don't think so. Look like Artek. Auntie Will. Auntie Will. Oh. Come on, you know you want to do a trip through the Anak-land. Yeah, I know. Look, it's so many beautiful colours. There's less kids now, apparently. Oh, I made it across that, knocking anyone over. Oh, aso. ¿Cómo está, aso? This is very retrato for your anak. It's good. Bring your kids and take photos. Oh, there's the rollerblade. Oh, not rollerblade, but ice skate.
I think it's
So I was just cleaning the...
No one hit me earlier.
Oh, so there's a whole bunch here. It's probably that.
6 to 9 p.m.
Oh, so many anak. So many retrato. I know, it's just, hey kid, get in front of there, I want to take a photo of you. That started rain again. So guys, that is Illuminate Adelaide, but in Mount Gambier. There's the library. I realised the lens is getting covered there in rain, so it's probably a good time to leave. It started to rain. Or maybe we wait till the Anuks disappear because they don't like rain. There's the library. No one there now. Bye guys.
So, that's it guys. That's the Illuminate Adelaide na dinala nila dito sa Mount Gambier, dito sa Cave Garden sa South Australia. So, Illuminate Adelaide is originally from Adelaide, guys. It's a type of event that every winter, guys, meron silang vivid colors. They features different artists, guys, and they also have a lot of programs. They also have programs with tickets that you can do purchase through online, guys. So dito, we are lucky. I am lucky. This is my first time to see the Illuminate Adelaide. We're not in Adelaide, guys, but we are in South Australia dito sa Mount Gambier. So, I'm lucky that they bring the Illuminate Adelaide dito sa Mount Gambier sa South Australia. So, yung event dito sa Mount Gambier from August 5 to August 21, guys. That is Friday until Sunday, guys. So, it's a nightly event which is 6 p.m. at night to 10 p.m. guys. So, it's a free event, guys. Makikita nyo, there's a lot of colors earlier. There's a lot of parents with the children's, guys, na nakita nyo earlier. There's a different activities. You can also jump from different colors there. There's a lot of very colorful area, guys. And you can see also the part of the cave that they put also a light, guys, na nakita nyo sa ating video. So, anyway, highway, guys, I will put their sockments in my description box down below. And if you are in Adelaide or you're near in Adelaide, you are in South Australia, or you know somebody, we duly highly recommend. If you have family, colleagues, friends, relatives dito sa South Australia, especially in Adelaide, guys, I hope you see one of their events, one of their artists, guys, one of their lightning, colorful, vibrant ambience, guys, na nandito sa Illuminate Adelaide, guys. Illuminate Adelaide, they bring here sa South Australia, guys, dito sa Mount, because Mount Gambier is still a part of South Australia. So anyway, highway, guys, this is the end of our Illuminate Adelaide dito sa Mount Gambier sa South Australia walking tour for today's video. I hope you enjoy watching, you learned something today, plus you had fun for today's video, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for supporting my videos, and mega love shout out to each wonderful beautiful people of the universe. Thank you from the bottom of my hypothalamus. Please like if you did enjoy my video for today, and please do subscribe if you haven't yet, and don't forget to hit the bell button for you to get notified on my next video. And please comment down below if you like this video pa. See you when I see you on my next one. Bye bye, guys. Be good, you take care, be safe, and mwah! Ciao la!